This is the King Premium Fountain View, room 1985. Let's take a look. As you come in, you'll see some nice artwork here on the wall. And just across from the artwork, you'll see these double doors here, and these go into your bathroom. Very nice full-size soaking tub. Some cool artwork on the wall behind it. And over to the right, you'll see the mirror there and sink. And it's pretty cool that this room also does have the standing shower still as well. So you have the option of a full bathtub and a full shower. And then you have your toilet right there next to it. Coming back out of the bathroom, you see the cool artwork here on the wall. And as we go over here to our left, you'll see the bedroom area. And as you come into the bedroom area, you do have a nice table here with a lamp and chair, plenty of storage, TV. And you do have your fridge down here as well. And it's pretty cool because the Planet Hollywood actually has the fridge empty. So you can actually use that to store drinks, snacks, etc. It's not like some of the hotels that have the bar with pay options. And continuing over, this is where your storage will be for hanging clothes, ironing board, things like that. And then right behind us is the full king-size bed. And on each side of the king-size bed, you do have 2 lamps, you have your phone, clock, and storage on both sides. And then next to the bed here, you do have your table and 2 chairs. And coming right over to the lamp, you can see the lamp has dual USBs, and on each side of the lamp, you do have a plug as well. So plenty of space for all your charging needs. And turning back around here, this lamp also does have a plug as well for your charging needs. And coming back around to the other side of the room where the clock is, you also have 2 more USBs and plugs. So plenty of places to charge everything. And over here next to the bed, you have a little sitting area with a little table. And this is the view from the room here. And you can see there's the Bellagio fountains, the Paris balloon, the Eiffel Tower at the Paris Hotel. And then off in the distance is Caesar's Palace. A really, really good view from the room here. Alright everyone, we just got back from our Las Vegas trip. The video you just saw was the Premium Fountain View King room. Had an awesome view of the Bellagio fountains and just a really clean, nice room. The Planet Hollywood Hotel has lots to offer. We do gamble, so there was some cool slot machines there. It's attached to the Miracle Mile shops, which is like any indoor mall you've been to before, with lots of cool shops in there. Just a really cool hotel overall. It does have Gordon Ramsay burger in there. Has a gift shop. Check-in was very quick and very friendly. The room again was very clean. As you saw, it does have the full-size tub in addition to the shower, and that's a really nice soaking tub. So definitely recommend Planet Hollywood for your place to stay in Las Vegas. Coming up Thursday, we'll have the Panorama Suite, which is a really awesome room. One of our biggest and best suites we stayed at in Las Vegas. Has about, I think it's 180-degree views from the mountain all the way to the Strip. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you do stay at Planet Hollywood, let us know in the comments below.